In this video, we're going to go over a quick dictionary little thing maybe you don't know about. So I'm going to pop open Personal. And for the purposes of this tip, let's say that our agency or state or courthouse has decided that our cues need to have periods. So instead of going through thousands, in this particular instance, there are 398 entries of cues or questions. So how do I change these quickly? Well, first thing is double click on it to open it up. And we're going to do a find and replace here. So I want to highlight just that portion. And then I'm going to hit Control C for copy. And then I'm going to close this window. Control C for copy. And then close the window. Then I'm going to go up to the top here and I'm going to click on Replace. And then English Find and Replace. Find what? Well, what I just highlighted. So I'm going to paste that in. Control V. To paste, you're going to hit Control V. And then replace with what? And I'm going to hit Control V again. Then I'm going to put my period in there. And then I'm going to click on OK. Now this is 398 entries, so this might take a moment. You might even get a not responding because it's taking a moment. And that's all right. Alright, and we've got our 382 entries are modified, and you'll see now that they all have periods. One last thing about this is you must do a rebuild after you make any kind of changes, 20 or more changes to a dictionary entry. Just do a quick rebuild on it. It won't take too very long. And then you can just look at it and you'll find everyone has a period. Alright, that's all there is for this tip. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.